Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up automated DeFi alerts in Discord without writing a single line of code. So we'll be using Dispatch to track on-chain activity and get real-time notifications right in your Discord server. Whether you're tracking token swaps, monitoring liquidity changes, or just want to stay updated on your favorite DeFi protocols, this setup will take less than 5 minutes. So with that said, let's dive in. First, let's create a Discord channel for our alerts. Now, if you already know how to do this or you already have a dedicated channel for alerts, you can skip this step. But for those of you who are new to this or don't have a dedicated Discord channel yet, we can do it together. So open up your Discord server. Under text channels, click on the plus icon where it says create channel. It's really simple. So let's give this channel a name. We can call it DeFi Alerts. And then click on create channel. All right, so now you see that we have a new DeFi Alerts channel. This is the channel that will be connecting to Dispatch. Later on in the video, I'll be showing you how you can do that. But yeah, super simple, straight to the point, but it is an important first step. Now we can jump into the rest of the tutorial. Once you've created a new channel in Discord or you already have a dedicated Discord channel, you want to head over to Dispatch. And if you don't have a Dispatch account already, you can sign up for one for free at espresso.io. So once you log into Dispatch, you'll automatically land on the dashboard. So under Create a Patch, we're going to be selecting our trigger and our action. So let's go ahead and select our trigger, which is going to be smart contract activity. And then our action is going to be Discord, send a Discord message. And then click Complete Patch. So this will bring you to the patch builder page. This is where you can fill in the rest of the details, like the network. We can add the smart contract address. We can rename the contract or the patch, etc. Now, for this demo, we'll be tracking Velodrome Finance on Optimism, but you can use this for any protocol that you're interested in. Let's go ahead and select our network, Optimism, and then for smart contract, and then drop down, you can actually click on Add a Smart Contract, and this is where you can paste in the address and create a nickname for it. I'll name it Velodrome Finance Router Contract. And once you've pasted in the address and gave it a nickname, go ahead and click on Add Contract. And that should automatically add for you. All right, so let's go ahead and click on activity we want to be notified for. So once you're done selecting all of the activity that you want to be notified for, go ahead and click continue. And this is where we will be connecting that Discord channel that we created in the first step, or connecting the Discord channel that you already have. So for the application, Discord should already be pre-selected because we selected that in the dashboard. But go ahead and click continue. And for action event, let's say we want to post it in the Discord server. Now here's how you connect Dispatch to Discord. So click on destination. Click on where it says click here to add a Discord server. When you click on that, you should see a pop-up like this where it'll ask you to authorize the Espresso bot. So now where it says add to server, you just want to click on the server where you want to receive the alerts. So for me, I'm going to click on Satoshi's DAO. Go ahead and scroll down, click continue. Now we can leave everything on this screen checked and just click authorize. All right, so the Discord server was successfully added. So now all that we have to do is select the channel in that server. So let's say it's DeFi Alerts, click continue. Now this isn't mandatory, but we do recommend testing so you can be sure that Dispatch can send that data where you want it to go. So let's go ahead and send a test message. There you go, that was a success. Go ahead and click continue. And then for the patch name, just name it something that is memorable. Click turn patch on. And you should see a success message like this. And just for an example, here's what your alerts will look like in Discord. So that's how you set up automated DeFi alerts in your Discord. I told you, we didn't have to write a single line of code. Now, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see more tutorials tracking other chains and other protocols, drop a comment below.